You're wasting your time posting stuff onto LinkedIn, and let me tell you why. The big reason for you posting on LinkedIn is because you're trying to grow your followers, get more leads, and to build your personal brand or your company brand in order to make more money. So you follow the traditional path of posting content regularly on LinkedIn. Some of it is really great, some of it is so-so, but the fact that you're trying is commendable. The problem, however, is that you're not leveraging the full power of LinkedIn and the power of video. So if you are going to be posting on LinkedIn, why not make it a video post instead? I see a lot of people who are subject matter experts. They are really good at their work. In fact, these are people that I personally know. But because they're not posting with a video and they're just using text, there's no way to differentiate them from their competition. So someone who is more visible, who maybe is using video, will be seen as more credible and more knowledgeable and more authoritative simply because they have video, because we can see and hear their voice and get to know the person. So if that is one of you, and I'm sure that anyone that I've talked to in the last little while knows who I'm talking about, start making videos. And it's not just you, it's everyone else. Make video content because it is far more powerful than just the posts that you're making. You're able to much better separate yourself from the competition. LinkedIn nowadays especially is trying to focus more on video content too. So there's another reason there to start leveraging videos on LinkedIn. If you're not really sure how to get started, it's really simple. You probably already have a phone that you can use to create the videos. You definitely need some lighting and a microphone, but these are things that are just easy to solve. You can also record videos in a batch. Don't record one at a time, record 3 or 4 or 5 or 6 at one time. And you can also schedule the posts on LinkedIn as well. So try to do that. Try to implement videos into your business on LinkedIn. But if you're really not sure what to do, let's have a conversation. I've been more than happy to give you some guidance about what you can do to use videos in your business on LinkedIn.